to my channel, Smoking and Grilling and Cooking with me, AB. Now you guys read the title, you know what we making? We making stuffed pasta shells. And check this out, I'm gonna go ahead and do a spoiler alert. Look, there it is right there. Let me go ahead and make it focus. You wanna talk about, sexy, packs a lot of flavor. This is it right here. So listen, I don't want to over talk it. I just want to show you guys just how easy it is to make. And for those who've been following this channel for a little while, you know that I always say, listen, I'm trying to take the mystery out of cooking. And with today's society, how busy we are, you know what? We just want to come in, throw something together. And when I say throw something together, I mean like in a timely fashion. We just want to put this meal together, and then you want to serve this to your family or yourself, however you want to do it. But listen, you want to have something that just, that's out of sight. Again, listen, stuffed pasta shells. Not going over talking. Let's get right into the video. Now right here, whenever possible, go ahead and get yourself some fresh parsley. Fresh herbs are like the best. And right here, I'm just dicing them up, getting them ready. And then, I just wanted to make like at least a quarter cup. You can make a little bit more because at the end, you want to save a little bit so you can get your garnish together. And then right here, again, fresh is best. This is some live basil. Hey, hands down, fresh basil, fresh parsley is the best. Now right here, I already got 4 cups of ricotta cheese already in the bowl. Then you want to add your 2 eggs. We're going to add our Parmesan, our mozzarella, our fresh herbs. And don't forget, we're going to save some of our basil and some of the parsley. Just enough at the, for when we're done cooking at the end, we want to garnish. So again, don't forget you want to add your salt and your black pepper. After that, then you want to mix it all together, and then we go from there. Now the one thing you guys didn't see me do, and that's boil large jumbo pasta. There was no need for me to do that, to show you how to do that. So listen, when you buy them, it's just 1 box of large jumbo shells, and then follow the instructions. So when you're done, you want to let them cool, and that makes them easy to handle when you get ready to start putting your stuff inside of them. After you have all of your ingredients in your bowl, this right here is where you want to mix them all well, get them mixed thoroughly, then set them off to the side. Go ahead and get your dish that you're going to be, baking in. And here I'm using Emerald's home style marinara. Listen, I love it. This is like the best, the best store-bought marinara that I've ever tasted. Eventually, I'm going to do a video on how to make a marinade, from scratch. But right now, for our busy schedule and, you're looking for that great taste, this right here is the one. Now what you saw there was, I just coated the bottom of our bacon dish, just lightly with a little bit of the marinara sauce. And here you see me sprinkling some herbs. This part right here is truly optional. And then you'll see me sprinkling some cheese. Again, it's just optional. I just like the way it looks. So once we're done, coating the bottom, if you do this step, fine. If you don't, that's good too. That's cool too. Go ahead and get yourself a freezer bag. Now listen, this is gonna be like a little pro tip. This is what's going to make it easy to stuff your shells. Instead of you taking a spoon and stuffing them, listen, you want to fill up your Ziploc bag. You want to completely fill it up with all your ricotta cheese and all your stuffing. You want to put that in there, seal the bag, and look. Then we're going to cut the corner and we're going to squeeze it. And we're going to use that corner to insert inside the jumbo shells. And that's how we're going to stuff them. Now after you cut the corner, listen, you just want to insert the corner inside. You want to open up the jumbo shell, and then you just want to insert it, squeeze the Ziploc bag. It depends on how much stuffing you want to put in there. That's totally up to you. But you can see right here, look, the more you put in there, the bigger they are. I love the cheesy ricotta, mozzarella taste. To me, that's the Italian flavor. I love it, so I stuff them kind of big. Right now, your mouth should be watering. Look, here we go. Just add a little of the marinade sauce, inside of a scoop. You can use a spoon or you can actually pour it. This way, by me using this little scoop right here, this was, where I had a little bit of control. I just added some lightly over the top, came back with some mozzarella cheese, and then some Parmesan cheese, and then sprinkled some herbs over the top, and then we put it in the oven. Listen, you want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna put it in the oven for about 15, it depends on your oven, so I'm gonna say anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, and I forgot to tell you this, listen, we gotta go ahead and put some foil over the top. So when you go in the oven, that's 15 to 20 minutes with it covered with foil, and then we bring it out and we take a look at it. Now for me, after 17 minutes, I removed it from the oven. I turned my oven up to 400 degrees. I removed the foil, and then I put it back in the oven for about 5 minutes or until all the cheese is melted at that 400 degrees. And that there is stuffed pasta shells. So tell me what you guys think about that there. Super easy to make, huh? If you guys been following this channel, you know that this channel is all about just showing how you can just make these delicious, sexy dishes, you know, like in a super easy, you know, quick times. You know what I mean? Just the fact that, you know, we live these busy schedules. Some of us are soccer moms. We're taking kids to practice, things of that nature. So we need a meal that'll just be like super easy to make, that's quick, and then again, it packs a lot of flavor. Hey, so check this out. I got this right here on the plate, and I got my twin cousin. Come on, E-Dub. There you go. Hey, you guys say what's up to E-Dub. And listen, he gonna go ahead and do a taste test. And that's right, y'all heard me. I said my twin cousin. Go ahead and do your thing, bro. You chill, man.
It's like he just flew me to Italy.
Hey, y'all heard it. Listen, E-Dubs approved. You know what I mean? Again, I'm gonna go ahead and show you like this. You know, here it is plated, and I'm getting ready to tear into it myself. So listen, if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and I see you getting down with it, huh? That's right. Go ahead and do your thing. So if you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and take the time to welcome you to my channel. You know what? Don't forget to subscribe, you know, like this video. And if you want to see more content, you know, some more quick, easy, sexy dishes, go ahead and leave a comment down in the comment section down below. And with that being said, you guys, you know what? I'm out.